Welcome to my channel. Wi-Fi printer keeps disconnecting. Here's what works. 1. Restart your printer and router. Turn off your printer and Wi-Fi router for about 30 seconds, then turn them back on. This simple restart often fixes temporary connection issues. 2. Move the printer closer to the router. Weak Wi-Fi signals can cause frequent disconnections. Place the printer closer to the router and avoid thick walls or metal objects between them. 3. Check your Wi-Fi signal strength. Make sure the printer is connected to a strong and stable Wi-Fi signal. If the signal is weak, consider moving the router to a better location. 4. Connect to the correct network. Verify that your printer is connected to the same Wi-Fi network as your computer, phone, or tablet. 5. Update printer firmware. Manufacturers regularly release firmware updates to improve performance and fix connectivity problems. Check for updates through the printer's settings menu. 6. Assign a static IP address. A changing IP address can sometimes cause connection drops. Assigning a static IP address helps maintain a stable connection. 7. Reduce network congestion. Too many devices using the same Wi-Fi network can affect printer performance. Disconnect and use devices if possible. 8. Reconnect the printer to Wi-Fi. Remove the saved Wi-Fi connection from the printer and set it up again. This can fix incorrect network settings. 9. Disable VPN or firewall temporarily. Some VPNs and security programs may interfere with printer communication. Test the connection after temporarily disabling them. 10. Reinstall the printer driver. Download and install the latest printer driver from the manufacturer's website. Updated drivers can resolve many wireless printing issues. Thanks for watching.